27 unique residences, waterfront aqua club, marina with boat slips and private waterfront cabanas. Owner's lounge. Waterfront aqua club water sports storage facility. Panoramic rooftop pool with poolside summer kitchens and bar. Gym with state-of-the-art equipment. Designated self-parking for all residences. Marina with 10 boat slips and private waterfront cabanas. Water sports launch dock for kayaks and paddleboards. A collection of 2, 3, and 4 bedroom residences. Floor to ceiling, impact-resistant sliding glass doors and windows. Expansive floor layouts with up to 9-foot grand ceiling heights. Fully accessorized imported Italian kitchens with top-of-the-line Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances. Panoramic private balconies on every residence. Oversized walk-in closets. Energy-efficient air conditioning and heating system featuring Nest thermostats. Contact me for more information.